Hi guys, today with a very big heart I want to say thank you. Making videos is hard, especially if we do it every day. Making one video is hard, but if it comes from love, it comes from the care that you have for other people, it's easy. It's easy.
Ano yung naramdaman mo nung nag-umpisa ako mag-vlog? Kasi, di ba, kilala mo naman ako ilang taon. Talaga namang di ako mahawak ng camera, di naman talaga ako nag-vlog. Kaya lang bigla ako nag-vlog. Tapos, ano lang, gusto ko lang malaman, ano yung impact or ano yung dating niya sa'yo nung nalaman mo na nag-vlog na ako.
Ano ko, kasi siyempre, di ba, usually, hindi ka naman talaga mahilig gumawak ng mga ganyan. Tapos, ano mo yun, parang badoy sa'yo tignan kapag hindi kasi umawak ng camera. Siyempre, may part din na maganda kasi yung imbis na yung mga estudyante mo lang yung natuturuan mo, nasi-share mo rin sa mga taong nanonood.
Yun. Pero badoy talaga tingnan.
Badoy talaga nung simula ako.
Nung una parang, kasi nung una naalala ko nag-video ako, doon ako sa kanya. Dumaan, may kakilala ko dumaan. Tapos, siyempre di naman din siya sanay na may akong camera. Sabi niya sa akin, ano yan? Weird ha? Gumanon siya sa akin. Tapos parang, hindi naman ako na-offend. Siyempre, alam ko naman na hindi siya sanay na nakikita akong gano'n eh. So, okay lang sa akin yung mga bagay na yun. Pero gusto ko lang siyempre malaman, ano yung malamang lahat kayo nanibago eh. Kunyari, may papasok ako ng court, may hawak camera, tapos videoan ko kayo, tapos nag-vlog ako. Nakakapanibago yun. Nanibago ka ba nun? Mga time na yun, yung first time mo ko nakita, nakasama, tapos nag-vlog ako. Nanibago ka?
Oo, kasi siyempre, di ba, alis tayo, tapos bibidyoan mo kami, marang ganun. Diba? Parang nakakaya din. Pero katagalan, nasasanay ka na lang.
Bogs, ngayon nasa pang 100 vlog na tayo. Siyempre, thank you tayo sa supporters natin. Pero naalala ko kasi nung months ago, nung sabi ko sa'yo, Bogs, kailangan ko ng editor, kailangan kung matuto ka, kung willing ka. Ano yung na-feel mo nun? Siyempre, hindi ka naman talaga lumaki na may laptop, na may camera, na gumagawa ng mga bagay na yun. Lumaki ka sa beach, yung mga sports, yung nagsusurf ka, pero hindi yung nag-edit ka, nasa kwarto ka. So, malaking adjustment yun for you. Pero, ano yung naramdaman mo nung mga unang panahon na nag-edit ka?
Ayun coach, yung una kasi na pressure talaga ako doon sa sinabi mo kasi, 'di ba? Ano nga tayo, 'di ba? Yung kaya ako pumunta dito, di naman para doon. Pero yun talaga yung kailangan kasi yun yung bakante. Yun, parang napili ko na kaya ko kaya to. Pero kahit sabihin na, kasi ako, di naman talaga ako lumaki sa mga ganun. Sa, di ako marunong talaga mag-edit. Ang ginagawa ko lang, pinapanood lang kita habang nag-edit ka dati. Tapos yun, parang nakakuha ako ng mga idea. Tapos yun, yung nagsimula, sinabihan mo na ako, yun, parang, imposible, pero kasi di ko kaya talaga nung una. Tapos yun, naging posible, kasi nagawa natin ng paraan, tsaka andun ka sa akin lagi na ginagabayan mo ako pag nag-edit ako.
Hindi kasi, totoo naman di ba? At first, parang hindi mo kaya eh. Tapos may mga bagay na akala mo sa umpisa hindi mo magagamay, hindi mo magagawa, or hindi mo magugustuhan. Pero pag sinubukan mo, tapos inulit-ulit mo, tapos nakakuha ka ng fulfillment or ng kasiyahan galing sa ibang tao na nagpapasalamat sa'yo, iba yung feeling eh. Iba yung feeling. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi parehas naman tayong hindi talaga humawak ng laptop para mag-edit. Parehas tayong hindi humawak ng camera para kausapin yung camera. Parehas tayong ganun eh. Pero kahit parehas tayong ganun, nagawa natin ng paraan. Tapos ngayon naka-100 vlogs na tayo. So para sa akin, ewan ko, hindi ko alam yung mafe-feel ko. Sobrang fulfilling kasi yung kada vlog na yun na ginawa natin, hindi naman para sa atin lang eh. Kada vlog na yun may mensahe tayo na binibigay na alam ko maraming tumatak sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin. Kaya sa totoo lang, naniniwala ako, if what you do comes from love, everything will be easy. Everything will be easy. Every single time that you do what you do that comes from love, lahat dumadali. So, yun lang. Never thought that we will reach 100 vlogs. Never thought that we are gonna make 100 videos, 100 inspirational videos. And now, I think mas ready ako to do more. Mas ready ako na gumawa pa ng mas marami. Mas marami pang videos. No, Bogs?
Oo, tsaka achievement sa akin, yung mga ganong bagay na di ko talaga ginagawa talaga.
Oo.
Naging achievement sa akin. Pwede kong ituro sa anak ko kung paano yun. Mga ganun.
Kapag parehas tayo may natutunan na isang bagay na hindi naman talaga natin alam. Pero it came with love, pagmamahal sa ginagawa, and we really cared about every video. Hindi yung basta makagawa lang ng video. Never tayo gumawa ng video na basta may magawa lang tayo, may post tayo.
Upload lang.
Never natin ginawa yun. So kahit hindi tayo ganun kagaling, kahit hindi tayo ganun karunong, kahit di tayo nag-aral talaga ng video making, kahit di talaga tayo humawak ng camera, ginawa natin ang paraan.
Ginagawa natin yung best natin.
Kasi for me, it came with love. It came with care, and yung may paki ka sa ginagawa mo.
Hi guys, thank you for all the support. Today is our 100th video. Thank you so much for all the support. We wouldn't make it to this point if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much for supporting. Keep on supporting us. Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you.
Making videos is hard. Making videos is really something that doesn't define me. Holding a camera all day doesn't define me. It was really, really hard for me. At the very beginning, when I was starting doing this YouTube, making videos, I was really shy. It was really awkward.
And so now we're walking. This is my first ever trial to do this in front of this busy road. So, achievement for me. Punta na ako sa mall, punta na ako Glorieta, and let's see what happens. Tignan ko kung kaya ko inside. Pero mukha naman kakayanin ko. Jo, do what you can. Do what you can.
I felt like I looked stupid, weird, and I tried doing this inside a mall.
So after walking around for a few minutes, I felt a little bit more comfortable with this.
During those times, I really didn't see myself doing more videos like today, 100 videos. It was very, very awkward.
So at first, I thought I can't. So my suggestion is, you're doing something that you thought you can, but after doing it, you actually realize that you can. Just do it. Just do it and have fun doing it. Enjoy the journey. Don't miss out on the joy of the journey.
But I started to love what I do, most especially during those times when I'm starting to get feedbacks that I inspire people, motivate them to work harder. And for me, a life not shared is a life not lived. So I think this can be one of the most simple ways that I can do. And nowadays, this YouTube thing, this video making is not new to me anymore. It's me. It defines me. It defines the work that I've put in over the years. Defines the Mavs family. It defines my family. And I just don't know how to stop anymore. At the very beginning, I don't know if I can make it. At the very beginning, I didn't know that I'm gonna be able to make 100 videos.
Is ready. Yes! Woo! Yes, so this channel is really thanking you because we reached 2,000 subscribers as of August 21.
And now I'm here. I've already created the momentum. Now, I really don't know how to stop. I can't even stop myself anymore. For me, being an inspiration is more than anything in this world. We were born
And there's one thing sure in our lives: we are all gonna die. What we make in our lives, the footprints that we leave, the messages that we share, the time that we spend, is all that matters. 80 years is short, but if we are going to be able to pass it on the next generations, and they will be able to pass it on to the next generations, for me that is your legacy. Yes, you may die, but you're gonna live forever in the hearts of millions of people. So that's one of my goals, and I found one of the things on how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make more videos for you guys. I want to tell you that dreams do come true. All of your dreams that you have right now are real. It's just that they're not happening yet, and you just have to really enjoy the process that you have, enjoy the journey that you have, and work on whatever it is that you have until you reach your dreams. Because for me, I feel really successful right now. I know this channel is still small, 36,000 subscribers compared to all of the big YouTubers outside, but I feel really successful because of the impact that I've made, because of the inspiration that I've given you, motivation that I've given you, and the impact that the people get every day from my videos. It's very heartwarming. I don't know what to feel, but I'm really speechless. I'm really glad that I'm able to make 100 videos for you. Again, I'm not a man who was born with a knowledge to edit videos with a camera in his hand every single day, but I wanted something. I wanted to be able to send a message, and I fought really hard for this. Deep inside me, I really felt like I looked stupid, weird, and someone who was really trying hard. But I know that this is one of the ways that I can do for me to be able to do what I love. I fought it every single day. It was really hard. It was really awkward. So I pushed through, and now we are on this day, 100 videos. It's a lot of work, but it happened. It happened. So guys, I really want to thank all of you for all of the support, for all of the love that you've given us, for all of the comments, for spending time to watch our videos, for all of the messages that I got. If I was able to move you, I'm telling you, every message that you sent me in all of the months that have passed, you moved me. You moved me to do more. You inspired me to do more. You made me wake up in the morning, get the camera, film myself, get a clip of my students, send you messages. You inspired me. You motivated me. And now, after this 100 videos, I don't know how to stop anymore. I really don't know how to stop anymore. Like what I told you, I've already created a momentum, and I want you to create your momentum as well. Create your momentum. Start right now. Look stupid right now. Look weird right now. Be everything that everyone will have reasons to laugh at you right now. Just do it every single day. One day it will be all natural. Everything will be comfortable. Everything will be normal to you, and you'll start to see yourself succeeding. I want you to be patient with it. I want you to really be patient with it. Guys, your dreams will do come true, and just love the journey. Don't love the money, don't love the fame, don't love the recognition that you get. You love the journey, love the process. You'll get there. Love the process, love the failures, love everything. Love all of the people that you have right now, the things that you have right now, situations that you have right now, opportunities that you get, big or small. It's all opportunities, and I want you to work hard on your dreams. Do what you love, guys. Do what you love. You have one life. Don't you ever waste it.
Hi guys, Sereno pala to. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta at naniniwala sa Mavs Phenomenal Basketball, marami kayong matututunan, hindi lang sa basketball,
sa buhay, kung paano malalagpasan yung mga problema. Tiwala lang, makakamtan nyo rin yung pangarap nyo. Hindi man ngayon, hindi bukas, darating din yung oras na makakamtan yung pangarap nyo. So, thank you. Sana mas dumami pa tayong sumusuporta sa Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. We'll do more. God bless you all.
Thank you and keep supporting Mavs Phenomenal Basketball Vlogs. And we'll do more.
Hi guys, thank you for supporting Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. Sana po huwag kayong magsawang sumuporta sa amin. Hindi lang po yung basketball ang may share po din namin dito, kundi yung buhay na ginagawa po namin sa Mavs. At sabay-sabay po natin to pa rin yung mga pangarap po natin. And then nandito lang po kami para sa inyo. I swear, we will do more.
Sa lahat ng supporters ng Mavs, thank you. Kahit maraming bashers, non-believers, you stayed. So thank you for believing in us. Please continue supporting Mavs. We promise we'll do more.
Hi Coach Mav. Salamat Coach sa lahat ng mga tinuro mo sa akin sa pagiging better person, better player. Coach, keep on inspiring people kasi alam ko yan yung career mo Coach. Diyan ka Coach magaling, promise. Nakikita kita Coach kung gaano ka ka-passionate magturo sa amin, magturo sa ibang player kung paano anong tawag dyan, kung paano mo Coach ka-eager magturo sa mga bata. Kita ko Coach sa mata mo yun. Coach, salamat talaga Coach. Kung hindi kita Coach nakilala, hindi ko alam Coach kung nasan ako ngayon. Sa mga subscriber ni Coach Mav, keep on watching sa vlog ni Coach Mav kasi malaking bagay yun. Kahit ako nandito ako sa Naga, sa panonood ko lang, madami ako natutunan. Sana ganun din kayo. Kaya Coach Mav, salamat Coach Mav talaga. Love you Coach. Mavs Brotherhood.
Hi guys, this is Kim. Thank you sa support sa mga kalokohan ko and we'll do more.
Thank you and please keep supporting Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. We're gonna promise you we're gonna do some more. Peace!
Hi guys, thank you for supporting Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta. At sa mga darating pang suporta, I promise we will do more.
Hi! Thank you! Dahil dyan, we'll do more. Yes!
Thank you for supporting Mavs Phenomenal Basketball and don't forget to do what you love and please keep watching because we'll promise to do more.
Salamat guys sa pagsuporta niyo sa Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. Salamat din sa pagsuporta niyo din sa akin kahit matagal ako nag-improve at saka naniwala pa din kayo sa akin. Kayo din, mag-work hard pa din kayo para maabot niyo din yung mga pangarap niyo. At saka manood pa din kayo ng daily vlogs namin kasi we'll do more.
Hi guys, vlog 100 na to. Pero andyan pa rin kayo para sumuporta sa amin. Sana di kayo magsawang sumuporta. Pangako, gagawa pa kami ng inspiring video para sa inyo upang matulungan kayo. Promise we'll do more.
Hi everyone, thank you to all your supports to Mavs Phenomenal Basketball and wag po kayo magsawang supportahan kami sa upcoming vlogs and messages po. We will motivate you to achieve your dreams and yun lang po. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. God bless all po.
Thank you guys for supporting Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. We hope for your continued support and just do what you love and enjoy the process and we promise we'll do more.
Hi guys, we would like to say thank you from the Mavs family and for the people who've been following the vlogs and the journey of the training and everything that Coach Mav has been vlogging. Even if I'm not a part of the training, as you see posted online, I'm still part of the brotherhood. And I would like to say na kahit di na ako nakasali ng training, ma-apply mo talaga lahat ng tinuturo ni Coach Mav. Not only na ma-apply mo sa basketball, but you can also apply it in life. Kasi kahit may na-accomplish ka na, there will always be room for more improvement. There will always be room for more and more. Because learning is a never-ending process. There are so many things that you can learn and you can improve in yourself. And that's what I learned from Coach Mav. Take the extra step and take the extra mile to achieve your dreams. It's Jethro, peace, God bless, and thank you sa suporta.
Hey guys, thank you for supporting our channel, Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. We'll do more, so stay tuned and keep on doing what you love.
Hi guys, gusto ko lang mag-thank you dahil andyan kayo para supportahan kami. Today is our vlog 100 and you're still here with us. You motivated us to work harder and that's why we won't fail to do more for you. Let's keep working together. We'll do more.
Buddy, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood. Thank you guys everyone for the endless support para sa coach ko and sa mga brothers ko. Outward crew, keeping it real pare. Let's go!
So, gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa lahat ng subscribers, supporters ng Mavs ng daily vlogs. Marami nag-message sa akin, sa amin, pati sa comments na na-inspire namin kayo, na-motivate namin kayo. Pero totoo niyan, mas na-inspire kami sa inyo, mas na-motivate kami. Lalo na ngayon alam namin na ang dami nakaka-relate sa amin, sa sitwasyon namin, lalo na sa failures, sa struggles, hindi lang sa basketball, sa buhay. Kaya mas lalo kami napupush, mas lalo kaming ginaganahan abutin yung pangarap namin. Kasi kung kaya namin, kaya nyo rin. Kaya yun, mas lalo kaming namamotivate, mas malaki yung tulong na binibigay nyo sa amin. Kasi mas napupush kami talaga gawin yun. Ngayon, mas gagawa kami ng mas maraming training vlogs, vlogs na about sa buhay. Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Tapos tiwala lang tayo sa Panginoon na alam ko trabaho lang tayo, tapos i-bless niya tayo. Yun lang, maraming salamat. God bless.
Hi everyone, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Mavs Phenomenal Basketball, thank you so much for believing sa program ever since. Hindi po kayo nagkakamali ng pinapaniwalaan. But remember, the progress will start within yourself. And Mavs Phenomenal Basketball will help you with that.
Hi guys! So I believe this is the 100th video of Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. Ayan, hindi kami aabot sa ganitong point if it wasn't for you guys. Ayan, thank you so much for all the support. I hope you guys keep on supporting us. Maraming salamat and I hope you guys keep up with us in the future. As in, marami pa kayong aabangan and we'll do more. Keep being phenomenal. Thank you! Someone also wants to thank you guys, kaso tulog na siya eh. Ayan, si Fino. Thank you guys for all your support kahit natutulog na siya. Oops! Thank you for watching Papa's videos. Bye!
Thank you. We'll do more.
Ang cute ni Mommy. Guys, that's everything that I want to say. And always remember that you can be anything you want to be in this life. I was not a vlogger. I was not a storyteller. But I chose to be one. And now I make videos. I tell stories. And I am who I was not before. So, guys, just don't waste your life. You can be anything you want to be in this life. You are great. You are special. I believe that you are phenomenal. Guys, this is Coach Mav. Thank you. But I see you again, and I promise that I'm gonna do more. I love you guys.